in this video we are going to study the Maxwell's reciprocal theorem. So what is the theory behind this Maxwell reciprocal theorem? So the Clark-Maxwell theorem is its simplest form, shows that the deflection of any point A of any structure due to the load P at any point P is the same as the deflection of B due to the same load P applied at A. So this is a simple beam, and the condition applies that for any structure the material should be isotropic, homogeneous, temperature must be remain constant, and the support must be unyielding. That means the support should not sink. So in this condition the material should follow the Hooke's law. So in this condition, if we apply the load P at point B and we measure the deflection delta AB at point A. So this is the condition 1, and in condition 2, if we apply the same load at point A and if we measure the deflection at point B, so the delta AB, the deflection at point A due to this point due to the load at point B must be equal to the deflection at point B due to the same load applied at A point. Okay, so this is Clark-Maxwell's theorem, that the deflection will be same. Either you apply load at any point B and measure the deflection here, or the same load if you apply here, the deflection at point B will be same. Okay, if we do this experiment in the laboratory, so this is the simply supported beam with the overhang. This is the type of overhang beam. Okay, and this is of mild steel. Okay, so we require the dial gauge, weights, and the scale. So suppose this is the point A. Okay, this is the point A and this is the point B. So first of all, what will we do? We will apply a load of any quantity from 50 grams to 200 grams. We can apply any load. So first case, suppose we are applying 50 grams of load at point B and we are measuring the deflection at point A. So the deflection will be delta AB. Okay, so this is the condition 1, that we are applying the load at point B and we are measuring the deflection at point A. So in the second condition, what will we do? We will apply the load at point A and we will measure the deflection at point B. So the both of the deflection must be equal. This is the Clark-Maxwell theorem. Now we are going to verify this in the laboratory. Okay, so we have the Maxwell reciprocal theorem apparatus. Okay, and you can see we have the weights and the dial gauge. This beam is made of a mild steel. This is simply supported from both the ends, and an overhang is also given. Okay, this is the point A and this is the point B. So when we apply the load at point P and measure the deflection at point A, this is the point A. Now suppose this is the load and we are applying the load at point B. Remember, this is the 1 kilogram load, and you can see the deflection when we apply the load at point B. You can measure the deflection by reading the dial gauge reading. Okay, this is the delta AB. You can see this is the analog type dial gauge. We can use a digital dial gauge also. Okay, so now in second case we will apply the load at point A and we will measure. So displace this, place the dial gauge at point P Now we have set up the dial gauge at point B and we are going to apply the load at point A. So this is the deflection delta BA. From the digital dial gauge you can directly read the readings. So both the deflection must be equal. This is the Maxwell reciprocal theorem.